like, as I saw that fall, I'm like, that could have been so much worse.
Fast. We're gonna go stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's more like.
Oh. I go this way, John. Oh, here we go. Yep. There's actually a path here.
Pretty slow hike for the boat, you know?
Oh, I know. Yeah. Yeah, this way, bro.
That's the way?
Right here, yeah. There's an actual trail. Cool. All right, exploratory mission today on the Foss River. This is probably the lowest, good side of low, I'll say that much. Good side of low.
Forward, it's way low. Here.
You need help to put it on?
I think I'll get it. It's just super dry.
Yeah.
It's been a while.
We're just gonna eddy hop. All right. Hey, John, we're just gonna eddy hop as we scout. All right. Dude. It's the best I've seen it. Oh yeah, nice. Left eddy up here. Yeah. Okay. Then I should be able to see the whole river. Ah. The chute's manky, but it'll go. Get it? The chute's manky, but it'll go. Right here. Right here. Pinball. Alright, we're gonna want to scout this one. How you feeling?
Good. But it doesn't have like 5 times as much water in it.
Yeah. It was right here. It was like right around that bend, I think, is where we had to hike out.
Yeah, that sounds right.
3 river-wide holes, just rivers.
Oh, you're gonna walk it, eh?
I'm gonna scout.
Walk scout. Yeah, I got you.
What are you thinking? Right? Ugh.
I just want to walk down and put it right here.
Yeah.
You're gonna look down there and
Probably as low as it looks. I mean, we could kind of like pop down this, and then it's just straight again. Hi!
oh, running it, yeah.
Yeah, that'd be more difficult.
Just walk right down the river.
We should. I don't want to get...
That's what I do. The only other thing I consider is just paddling over there and walking down that side.
That side actually looks better. There's less vegetation.
I can get over into that edge.
Yo! That's good! Past the pool! Don't go past the next pool! You're good. You're super comfortable as a pro. I know. I'm good. I see how narrow that slot is. Even if I had arm guards and full face, I still wouldn't want to run that drop. It's much better than hiking out on the other side, on the far side. Yeah. It's changed in here, like big features have changed, so we'll just boat scout. Alright? Yeah. Yeah. This is the bird. Sparring. Good?
Left. I'm gonna go left.
Do you see him?
This way.
You see him?
Yeah, he's good.
All right.
Right might be okay, but I see a couple branches sticking out of the horizon.
Okay.
I'll go left, drop around, it's gonna flatten out, and there's that horizon line way down to the 300 yards.
All right, he's driving. Let's get to him. All right, we got it. Looks good, they're good. How's this? What are you? Well, here. Off this. Straight on. Alright. Right here. Straight? Okay. You can use my boat if you have to. Alright, sweet. Almost at like 2 o'clock, but I gotta scout this.
Yeah, right there.
This is the crux I was telling you about. Fuck that shit. I mean, really, that's what I felt. Let me reassess. That's gnarly. Yeah. Alright, first things first, never take off your helmet in the middle of a river. Unstable, we're good. That's how calm you are with that? I immediately am just like, nope, we're gonna go river left. River, dude, that looks sweet. Yeah. Remember we charged here and then just bloop.
I might try to do it actually. Here's the line, you better make the ferry.
Remember, never stand up in a river. Unless it's safer than blindly going over a drop. That. So I'd want to go first.
You don't want to go first?
Yeah, whoever scouts it should go first, you know? Say what?
Try to shoot for that.
No, I'm not gonna mess with that. Because it's backed up by another feature. Dude, there's just like boulder after boulder on that. Like honestly, if I had to go for this, I'd go into the green tongue and I'd drive up and over on that left side.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Do you see that rock right behind this? Look at this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and there's another one to the right.
Big old pin section.
Yeah. That is like, that's a super danger zone. But I mean, oh, this is good, but that looks more fun. Now, how do we get there? All right. Limb right here. That's no joke, dude. Yeah. Yo, I'm just gonna get a lot of speed, okay? If I can get through these branches with speed, we're good. halfway through this. Let's drive here. There you go. Yep. God, man. So cute. Cute. Dude! Woo! Good composure. Looks familiar. Yeah. Great day for an adventure. How do you describe your experience? Being a rowdy.
Pretty fun with the players in the sky.
Yeah.
Get more technical from cover to cover.
Definitely want to let people know about that one area, you know. What do you call that? The new crux.
Yeah, the spot we do the ferry at. Like
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. It's one of those things. At high water, it might be fine.
Yeah. Cool. I really want to scout this. For another day. We got the rivers. Here, you want to grab that? Give me some support. All right, there we go. Oh my goodness. Where's the gondola?
There's a good trail underneath that bridge.
Yeah, we should probably go that way next time. Thanks for the boost. Yeah, bro.
Good.
Good composure. Really.
Yeah.
What's this like?
No, I've never been in a pin that bad, so. Fortunately, Nick was right there, so he probably would have rescued me.
That's why I always like going back to these new rivers. It's like a new river. It really is. There are a lot of features there. You want to stash gear? I can guard this stuff. See you guys in the field. So I'll give me something weird to edit. Go ahead and have fun. Oh my gosh!
Pretty good pronunciation. You're close.
Kluskiowicz.
Klutz,
You're on a klutz. Okay, so what? Clutch?
Klutz, yeah.
You got yourself a motorcycle here? Like
Klutz, not clutch.
well, that's what I'm saying. I would change your name from Klutz to Crux. Yeah. Where you at? With what? Long time ago. You wanna know why I switched from this? Kind of like roll alone. It was like a little freezing. Yeah. After hole in the wall, I just wanted to get it out because I was after hobby swim, you know, I was kind of like a first memorial. And dude, I couldn't get my skirt back after like 45 minutes because how cold it was. I get out, right, smoke a little joint. And now my skirt, everything's now like freezing up. And dude, I physically couldn't get it on for like 45 minutes. Yeah, seriously. And that was good random. That guy can almost put on his one.
I've had a skirt both once.
I mean, I had to go through some. Want it? Just play with the camera.
What do you want to do?
I don't know, be creative. Yeah, let's see what Dan's and I looks like with some GoPro footage. Start marketing this car. Yeah. So that is our stout hike for today. Well, we kind of manked our way. Foss takeout, I'd say either go all the way to the bridge. You probably even put in here and do like class 2E3 all the way from here to the bridge. And the upper, I'd say, is definitely continuous 4+ with 5 consequences. So this, I'd say, is probably the best takeout. Let's boogie, yo.
The little one's loving to work.
Little one? Yeah. Little one? We were discussing, Dan, John and I. So we're, it's this rock right here. One that's kind of a triangle right here. So right now, I'd say it's less than an inch. Like the water is less than an inch above this feature right here. So So I'd say if this rock was visible, it'd almost be too low. As you can see, from the railroad to here, I think is almost just like class 2-ish, kind of 3 boogie, you know? So, all right, we got our gauge rock. Ready for some more exploratory? Be careful, dude, it's slippery. Right there.
Oh.
See how like the visible part's kind of triangular?
Yeah.
So I'd say if that was visible, I wouldn't want to run it. And I guess if that's running over, and then it'd be kind of full on. So somewhere in between.
I don't know. I'd want more water than today because most of the time. Yeah.
All right. See you later.